if I say that y plus 1 equal to 0, there are certain things you guys have to understand over here. When I have written y plus 1 equal to 0, a doctor performs a surgery. It is called an operation, basically. In math, let me tell you what are called operations. Plus, if I add something. Minus, if I subtract something. Division, if I divide something. And if I multiply. These are the basic operations. That means I have two numbers and I'm going to operate. I'm going to do some surgery and I'm going to play with these numbers and change how they look. Now, how many of you can tell me what the value of y is from this equation? Quickly, quick, 5,
minus
7.
1.
Yes, okay. Very simple. Y equal to minus 1. What did you do? It was plus 1. You just sent it here. Plus became minus. Am I right? You all agree with me?
Sir, I did it like if we add to a number the additive inverse, then it's 0.
Correct. Now, plus 1, I sent it to the other side of the equal to sign. Equal to symbol. But why did the sign change to minus 1? If I say x plus 4 equal to 2. If I send plus 4 to the other side, I am getting x equal to 2 minus 4. Am I right? I get x equal to minus 2. Am I right? You guys agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is what you have probably learned whenever you've come across this topic somewhere else. But have you guys ever thought about why the sign changes when it goes from the left side to the right side?
Sir,
Karthik.
you can again see your screen.
It's okay. Focus on what I'm saying. I will keep alternating between screens. So forget about what is being shown on the screen when you have multiple screens. Forget about that. Focus on when I open the presentation. Okay? Relax. So just type in your answers if you have something. Karthik, yes, I will re-explain it. All of you, when I wrote y plus 1 equal to 0, all of you told me that y equal to minus 1. What did you do? Plus went to the other side, so it became minus. That is what all of you know. My question for you guys is why that happened. Why do you think plus became minus? Why that change? Ask yourselves. Can I have answers? It's okay if you're wrong. I just need answers. I just need to know what you guys are thinking. Unmana is typing. Why do you think that happened? Even Syed is typing. Every question I ask, you guys have 10 seconds to type in because we have to get back to learning again. I don't know. Okay, no problem. Because plus cuts minus and minus cuts plus. Close. Any other answers pouring in? Just because someone has told us plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication, think why that happened. There has to be some reason. Let me explain what it is. All of you listen very carefully. Do not type in anything now. If I say x plus 4 equal to 2, what are we studying? We are studying something called equations. That means two things have to become equal. In this equation, what are we trying to find? We are trying to find the value of x. Because x is troubling us. We want to know what his value is. So we're trying to find what x is equal to. Now, how do I balance this? X has plus 4 with him. I do not want that plus 4 with him. Say guys, you've seen this thing? It is a pan balance that I've drawn. You've seen this? You guys have come across the pan balance, right? Yes. Now let's understand it with the help of a pan balance. If I say that I have put 2 kgs over here. 1 second, guys. Say I have put 2 kgs over here. I also need to put 2 kgs over here so that both of them are equal. Am I right or wrong? Beam balance. Yes, whatever you call it. Whatever you want to say. In order to make both of them equal, if I have put 2 kgs over here, I also need to put 2 kgs over here. That is only when they become equal. Now, say if I have put 4 kgs here and I have put 2 kgs over here. Are they equal? Do they balance? Yes or no? No. So, in order to balance them, what am I supposed to do? If I subtract 2 kgs over here, okay, it becomes 2 and it becomes 2. Correct? They balance now. Similarly, let's get back to the concept of x plus 4 equal to 2. Because I only need the value of x, I want to remove 4. 4 is troubling me. If 4 is there, I don't know the value of x. So, what am I going to do? I am going to remove 4. And over here, I am again going to remove 4. If I am doing something on one side, I have to do the same thing on the other side so that I balance them. Does this make sense to you now? Does the logic make sense now? If I'm doing something on one side, I have to do the same thing on the other side so that they are equal. In a balance, if I put 2 kgs of rice on one pan, I have to put 2 kgs of rice on the other to balance it. That is the reason why signs change. Because see, here, plus 4 minus 4 is 0, x equal to minus 2. When I moved the plus symbol from here to here, it became minus 4 and I got the answer as minus 2. Did I get the same answer, guys? Yes. And now do you guys understand why plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication? Yes, it was correct. Answers are correct. I am not bothered about your answer. I want to know why you got that answer. Let's understand that. That is what we want to understand in math. Let me take another example and make it even more clear for you guys. Okay? Let me erase this. Now, if I say x divided by 4 is equal to 5. What are the answers that I'm getting? This is a very easy equation.
20.
4 in your answers. Quickly. Just type in the answer in 5 seconds. 20, 20, 20. What did you guys do? You simply sent 4 over here and wrote x equal to 5 into 4. What happened? Division changed to multiplication. This is what we all know. This is the last example I'm taking in order to tell you why the signs are changing. Answers are correct. Brilliant. All of you know the correct answer. Let's understand why. What did I tell you? I want x to be alone. I do not want anything else troubling x. Anything else that trouble x is a problem for me. I want it out. In order to remove this 4, what am I supposed to do? Can someone tell me now? I want to remove that 4 from the denominator. What am I supposed to do?
Multiply to the number which is after is equal to.
Okay. Okay. What else do you think I can do? I need answers. Whoever has an answer, please give me an answer. Divide. X is dividing. X is divided by 4. Put it to RHS. Correct. Now, listen to me, guys. I want to remove 4. 4 is troubling me. I don't want it to be with X. If I multiply it by 4 over here, what did I tell you? If there is some operation I perform on one side, I have to perform the same thing on the other. If I do multiply into 4 over here, I have to do into 4 over here also. Does this make sense now? I don't want answers. Just follow what I'm saying. Does that make sense? I do not like X Baba. I do not want you. You get out. What am I supposed to do? 4 is there with it. I want to remove 4. Now, this and this cancel out. So what am I left with? I am only left with X. Now what is X equal to? 20. Correct? There are 2 ways. Yes, Priscilla. Isolate the X. Leave it alone. Kidnap it. Put it in a room. I do not want anyone else with X. I want X to be alone. You get the idea now? Your answers are correct. I'm trying to tell you the idea behind why that is correct. You need to understand why your answers are correct. A correct answer is going to get you marks, but you have to understand why. Do you see a different point of view that I'm trying to explain over here? Yes, isolate it, put it into quarantine. In order to put it into quarantine, I do not want anything else with X. As Pushpa has made it clear. Do you see a different approach as compared to what you guys have learned till today? All you guys have probably learned is plus goes on to the other side, becomes minus. We are seeing why it becomes minus. We are seeing why we need X alone. We are trying to find the value of X. To find the value of X, guys, ask yourself why. You'll get the answer. I promised you that after today's session or after this topic, you guys are going to be able to teach others. You understand why I said that? Do you guys now feel confident and you find it interesting now?